Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use ClickUp for task management. So, ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity platform that helps you manage tasks, collaborate with teams, and streamline workflows. Whether you're working solo or with a team, this tutorial will guide you step by step on how to use ClickUp for effective task management. By the end, you will know how to set up your workspace, create tasks, and organize projects, and optimize your workflow for productivity. So, the first step is setting up your ClickUp account. Navigate to any browser on a PC, go to the search bar, type in ClickUp, hit enter. Now, click on the link that says clickup.com, the everything app for work. Click on this link, it will take you to this page where you can click on the sign up button at the top right. Now, enter your email in this field and click on next. Now, it will take you to this page. Here, you can easily enter your full name, create a password, then click on play with ClickUp and log into the ClickUp account. Now, you can also go to the search bar, search for ClickUp and click on the download button here and download the ClickUp for Windows or any of the platform you have. Now, after downloading and logging into ClickUp, the app will open up. Now, if you'll be logged into your web browser, it will prompt you to the ClickUp app. That will look something like this. So, after signing up, you'll be prompted to create a workspace. This is the central hub where all your tasks and projects will live. So, simply choose what will you use this workspace for. So, I will choose work. Now, choose what would you like to manage. So, I will choose my field and it will promote me to this page where I can invite people to my workspace by entering their email address in this field. Then I'll click on I'm done. Now, choose do you use any of these tools and click on next. Now, choose which features are you interested in trying. So I will choose task and projects because we are going to use ClickUp for task management. Now I'll click on next and in this field, you'll have to enter your workspace name. So click on finish after this and it will take you to this page. Now this is the space that we just created. Now it shows you an option to create some fields. You can choose drop down menu, text, date and a list of fields from this menu. For example, I will choose drop down. Now I will enter field name. You can also add description. Choose the type of this field. I will choose drop down. Now you can also add options. You can also add another option by clicking on add option. Name it anything you want. Choose a color for that option and click on create. Now, you can use the ClickUp's theme and layout options to personalize your dashboard. So here basically what we are going to do is click on the three-dotted icon after list settings. Now, you'll have to click on templates. Now, choose browse templates. Here what you are going to do is click on search templates and search for task management. So I will choose the simple task management. I'll click on the quick use button at the top. Now it will instantly bring the template for simple task management into our board that we just created. As you can see, the simple task management board is here. Now, you'll have to understand the ClickUp hierarchy. ClickUp organizes work into a structured hierarchy. I will give you a breakdown. So, the workspace is the highest level of organization ideal for company or individual. Now, this is the space or workspace. Now, subdivisions within your workspace are typically used for departments, teams, or personal projects. That means whatever spaces that are going to come below this space will be for the subdivisions within our workspace, for example, departments, teams, or personal projects. Now, there are lists. These are individual task groups within folders like to-do list or project phases like this one. This is the list. And this is to do. You can add task, for example, writing. Now click on save and you can assign a person to this task by entering their email if they are into your team. You can assign a due date by clicking here and choosing a date. You can choose the priority, whether it is urgent, high, normal or low. You can also add another task and do the same as shown. So tasks and subtasks are actionable items you can assign, track and manage. Now, we'll learn how to use views for task management. So ClickUp offers multiple views to visualize your tasks. The first one is list view. That will be at default. So list view displays tasks in a simple list format, ideal for tracking tasks, details like due dates, assignees, and priority. Now, you can click on the plus view icon at the top here. I will navigate to simple task management template. Now, I'll click on the plus view icon here. and choose board view, that is Kanban view. You can see this is a Kanban style view where tasks are organized into columns, perfect for workflows like to do, in progress, and completed. You can add another group, for example, in progress. Choose a color for this one and click on save. Now we just created another column where we can put the tasks that are in progress. So for example, the task is going to dentist. I will put this task in progress. That means the task is currently going on. If this will be complete, I will put it in the complete section. Now the calendar view. Now we'll navigate to the plus view icon again and choose calendar view. Now this is how calendar view looks like. This displays tasks on calendar, making it easy to manage deadlines. For example, this task is complete tax run. This should be done by 18th. So I will put it in 18th, and when I click on it, I will have the full board of this task. I can choose to put this in progress or completed. When I put it on completed, as you can see, this has been removed from the calendar view. So you can put any task just by choosing the date. For example, on December 10th, I will click on the plus icon. I will enter the task name like visiting site. Now I'll click on save. Now a task has been created with the name of visiting site. I will click on it and it will load up this board where I can choose the status in progress. I can change the date. I can add estimate time. I can add tags. I can add assignees, whether it is me or someone else who is going to do this task. I can choose the priority of this task, whether it is high, normal, or urgent. I can also add to track time, and I can also add custom fields by clicking on the create custom fields button and choosing any kind of field I want. I can add subtasks, checklists, and attachment to this task too by navigating to this board on calendar. So this is how calendar view works. Now click on the plus view icon and we have Gantt chart. So Gantt visualizes task timelines and dependencies, helping you plan projects effectively. These are for professional tasks that need a lot of complex management. So these are different kind of views that can be used to visualize your tasks on ClickUp. Now we'll learn about prioritizing and organizing tasks. So you can set priorities. For example, I will click on this task. Now you can choose the priority here, click on it, and ClickUp will allow you to set task priorities like urgent, high, normal, and low. This will help you focus on what matters most. Now adding tags. So I will click on the tags icon here, click on the empty option. Now you can see there are no tags created. I can add tags like urgent, pending, approval, or completed to categorize tasks further. So for example, I will create a tag named approval. So I will enter approval and hit enter. Now a tag has been created saying approval to this task that says vacuum carpet. Also, you can use filters to sort tasks by due date, priority, or assignee. So click on the filter icon at the top of a list view and choose, for example, assignee. Now choose the assignee is me. Now all the tasks that will have me as an assignee will appear. You can choose the filter again, choose the status, and whether it is active, closed, or not started. Choose it, then click on confirm, and all the tasks that will match the filter that you would have added will appear in this list. So this is sorting and filtering tasks. Now we'll learn about collaborating with teams in ClickUp. So you can assign tasks to specific team members to ensure accountability by clicking on the assignee button and choosing a person who is a part of your project. Now you can use comment section within tasks to communicate updates or provide feedback. For example, I will choose this task and I can navigate to the write a comment section and type in updates or provide feedback and click on send, and that will be set as the comment for that task. Now you can tag team members by using @ for quick notifications. You can also create and share collaborative documents directly in ClickUp for brainstorming and note-taking and planning by navigating to attachments, clicking on upload, choosing new doc, and uploading a document in ClickUp. Now we'll talk about automating workflows. So you can set up automations. You can automate repetitive tasks like assigning due dates, updating statuses, or notifying team members using ClickUp's built-in automation tool. Click on the automations icon at the top right and click on add automation. Now you can choose the task set custom field and click on create by doing this automation. You can also go back and choose different kind of popular automations that will be available through solutions, categories, and integrations. You can save time by creating templates for recurring projects or tasks. You can set tasks to repeat daily, weekly, or monthly on ongoing responsibilities. You can also track progress and performance. Now you can also use the ClickUp apps on iOS, Android, or desktop to manage tasks on the go. And all updates sync automatically. So you can pick up wherever you left off, no matter the device. So, ClickUp is a versatile tool that makes task management intuitive and efficient, whether you're handling solo projects or collaborating with a team. By customizing spaces, organizing tasks, and leveraging its automation and reporting features, you can supercharge your productivity. Start exploring ClickUp today and unlock its full potential. Hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.